You now rockin' with the best. Boy, don't you leave me on red. I'ma tell you one last time, stop playing with me. You know bad bitch don't come for free. You now rockin' with the best.
Today I'm helping you transform your beauty room. So today I'm going to take this spray paint from Walmart. That spray paint was $3.96. And I'm just going to spray paint this old mirror that I had. I did not want to get rid of that mirror. It fell off of my bathroom and it broke. But I hot glue gunned it and I put it back together. And that is the metallic finish that I wanted for all of my stuff. This part is a do-it-yourself part. You can do it yourself, sweetie. Yes, you can. But my uncle just would not let me touch his screwdriver. his little thing. And, you know, you can do it yourself. So I went to Home Depot and I got these planks. I believe they were 8 foot. So I got 2 of them. I made them cut one in half. So both are 4. And then I made them use the other one to cut shell. You don't have to use a power tool like that, a drill. You can use the hand drill. Go ahead and spray paint it. You can spray paint it any color you want. I actually just found out that spraying it with the white first from Walmart, spraying it with this first and then spraying it with the gold makes it come out so much more, because the white was not coming nicely. It was like ugly. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to do a thin layer of the white. So guys, now to decorations. Taking a glue stick I bought from the dollar store. I'm going to take any random book that I have in my house and I'm going to flip the inside so that the white side will be on the outside. That's what I need, because it needs to match the paper of when you print out the logo. You can do any designer you want. I wanted to do Gucci and Chanel, and so that's what I did. I went ahead and just glued it. It's very simple. You just have to turn it inside out and glue it and make sure it stays. That's it. And then for the Gucci book, I wanted it to be a little thicker, so I used a bigger book. It's a square book. I kind of felt like that is more like designery. And because it did not have an outside, I had to use paper, and it's really simple. It's real ghetto, but nobody will see this. So I only glued half of the book where you can see, and that was it, because that's all you need. You're going to have to go ahead and cut out each letter. It's easier that way, and it looks way better. Instead of just cutting the strip, it just looks so much better. So here is the Gucci book. This is done, and this is done. So these are the Gucci Chanel books. You just need picture frames from the dollar store, 2 or 3, however deep you want your tray to be. I didn't want it that deep. So all I'm going to do is take everything out of the trays, fold down the little sticky things so it doesn't get in my way, and I'm just going to glue that down. I got to make sure that they're even and they're on top of each other and they're not moving. Then I'm just going to hot glue gun it. I had regular glue if that's what you want to use, but you need a hot glue. So this is the finished Chanel tray. I went ahead and I made printouts of, whatever. And then I just put it inside. There's 2 glasses, obviously, because you bought 2. So I put 1 glass down, and then I put this in the middle, and then I put the last glass at the back of it. So that's pretty much it. This is the beginning. Oh, this one cracked. Oh, no. This is glue. So that's going to be the inside of the tray. And then I'm going to do the Chanel logo right here. So for that, you're going to need to print out this one because it is white and it's going on the black. So that's why you got to print this one out. So we're going to go ahead and cut those, and then we'll be back. You are going to have to cut out the letters again and do it again. If you want the look, you just got to keep cutting. It takes a while, but it's so worth it. But this is the Chanel tray. I bought this paper from Amazon. It was contact paper, I believe, vinyl paper. I don't know what it's called, but just look it up on Amazon. And I just measured it to the size of my table. And that's it. It wasn't enough, so I'm going to advise you to buy 2. And yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try it. And it's so easy, guys. So easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Trendy and all the money coming in plenty and all. Soon I'll be driving the Bentley.